This is the last thing to put into Ryan's school backpack. Alright, it's ready. Ryan, time to school. What happened? The door. Is it closed? It's locked. What am I gonna do? It's time for school, Ryan. Open the door. What am I gonna do? Ryan's gonna be late for school. I don't know how to open the door.
Hi there.
Hi.
Do you want to get out of here and get Ryan to school?
Yeah.
Well, then you have to pass the schoolmaster's test.
What? Why do I have to take a test? I'm too old.
School is going to start in exactly 1 hour. Be there or else you cannot get out.
But I have to get out to take a test. How am I gonna do that?
Figure it out.
Wait a minute. Maybe I can call David. Maybe he can take a test for me. Alright.
Time to eat my meal. I'm ready. Hey, what's that? Wait. Oh. Whoa. Sean's FaceTiming me? Yeah, sure. Hey, Sean.
Hey, David. It's Sean. Hey, I need you to do me a favor. So I'm locked inside my house right now. This guy, his name is Schoolmaster. He told me that I have to take a test and pass the test in order for me to get out of the house. And Ryan's gonna be late for school if I can't get out.
Okay, so what you're saying is that you want me, instead of you, to take a test at a school provided by the schoolmaster in order for the schoolmaster to let you out of a room in order for you to take Ryan to school yourself.
Please, I'm counting on you, David.
Alright. Bye. Oof, man, I'm so hungry. Sounds serious though. I guess I can do it. Oh, it could be cool. Off to school I go. Hope I'm at the right place. It does kind of look like a school. Would Sean sit at the front? I'm sitting at the front. What's that? Oh, whoa. Don't leave that there. It's fine. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? I just transferred from Harvard Elementary. Whoa, how's it going? Nice to meet you. Hey, nice to meet you, man. Hey, how's it going? So assistant again. It's not just...
Okay. Settle down, class. Settle down.
Okay.
I'm your teacher for today, Mr. Statesman. Hope you've been paying attention all year. We have a test to see how to get people out of rooms.
I have a question.
Yes?
Why are you doing this to me?
I ask myself that every morning. Okay, so today we're taking a final exam, and whoever passes can get somebody out of a room. So we're gonna do 5 rounds of questions, all right here? Starting in these 4 subjects. It starts easy here with 1st grade and gets harder all the way up here to 5th grade. Whoever gets the most questions correct passes. So before we begin, I need to take attendance. Let's see here, Paul.
Yeah, what's it to you? Teachers.
Sure. And Sean.
Oh, I'm here.
Sean, you can go first.
Actually, can you refer to me as David? I really prefer that name. It's much better.
Weird, but okay. Which category would you like to go first?
Oh, come on. So many great options. Okay, there's 1st grade, and then there's 1st grade again, and then more 1st grade.
And one more 1st grade.
Okay, let's go with science. I go with science. 1st grade science. Big one. Oh, yeah. The sun is,
The sun is a comet, star, or planet.
I'm gonna go with B, star. Cause I'm a star, right? Tell me I'm right.
It's yes.
Yeah! Take that, dude, yeah!
Okay, Paul, let's your turn again.
Alright, awesome.
Pay attention. What category would you like?
What category? Alright, Alex.
Not my name, but okay.
I'll take 1st grade art.
1st grade art. You need to draw a dog in 15 seconds.
Draw a dog.
Yes. You ready to go?
Yes,
I'm gonna time.
I'm ready.
And start.
Start. Alright, awesome. Whew. Gotta start off with these loopy ears, because I like dogs with big ears. Here we go. And then a tongue. And then the eyes.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Awesome. And the nose.
Time.
Nose.
Time for art critique here. We're gonna do it as a group. David, what do you think?
It's a little hints of cubism, very inspired by Van Gogh, but I don't think it looks like any dog that I've ever seen. I've never seen a dog with those long of ears.
I thought it might be a hot dog, but then you put a face on it.
Yeah!
So yes, it's a dog.
It's a dog! That means I win?
You pass, yes?
I I passed. Okay, it was good. Okay, I'll admit it. Hey, do you want to pet my dog? Where is he going? He's leaving me. How does everything leave me?
Great job, everybody. After those 2 questions, you both have 1 point.
Woo!
Moving on to second grade.
Yeah.
All right, David. David.
Yes.
David, pick another question.
All right, okay. He did good in art. I did kind of good in science. So let's try science again, man.
Science?
Don't fail me again. Don't
Science
fail me.
again. All
Don't
right,
fail
let's
me
take a look
now.
here. Question is, what process do plants use to turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food?
Okay, let's start with plants. Plant starts with a P. P is the first letter of like another word called pixie. Pixie dust is magical. Magic makes life and food. So photosynthesis.
That is shockingly correct.
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Paul?
I went poopy.
I don't get paid enough. Okay, Paul. He passed. Which question would you like now?
Let's see. I've always been great at English, so let's do math. Second grade. Woo!
Second grade math. All right, can you do this problem? 7, take away 20.
You can't take away 7 from 20 because then you go negative. You go beyond 0. What's beyond 0? Who knows? The answer is negative 13.
Correct.
Yes! Harvard Elementary, what's up? Where'd you go to school, huh? Dumb Elementary? It's pronounced Doom, all right?
Both of you have 2 points and you've passed the second grade. Let's move on to the third grade.
Yeah! For my third grade question, I'm gonna go with English. Show me English.
The whole town was blank by the tornado. Pick one, either affected or effective.
Affected, effective. Pick one. 1. Pick one. The answer is 1. Dude, you thought I was dumb. You thought you could get me. Oh, you thought. No, it's 1.
That is incorrect.
No! Oh, sorry, Sean. Sorry, me. Oh, man.
It wasn't a trick question. You had 2 options. You picked one that wasn't even an option.
Okay, don't make me feel dumb, all right? Go to the next thing. I think it's my turn now, and I'm gonna pick science, 3rd grade.
What are the 3 states of matter?
You know, I was talking to my friend Peck the other day, and he told me the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Am I right? Say what?
What? That is correct.
What? Say what?
What? Okay, so it seems that 3rd grade tripped you up a little bit, David, so you only have 2 points, but Paul did great, and he has 3 points.
Yay! All right, we haven't done math. Let's do math. I love math.
What does PEMDAS stand for?
PEMDAS. Okay. P is for pineapple, and pineapple's like excellent adventures. Let's do M for multiply, because you gotta multiply the happiness of all the excellent pineapples. D for devastatingly handsome, which is what Paul is all the time. And then A is for acronym, because this is all an acronym. Oh my gosh, of course it is. Acronym. And then cap it off with subtraction. Subtraction, because it's still all about math somehow. So my answer is pineapple, excellent, multiply, devastatingly handsome, acronym for subtraction.
You were so far off. I can't even believe how wrong you are.
What? But I multiplied. I carried the 1. I carried the 1.
PEMDAS actually stands for the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
Wow, that was very much a waste of my time. All right, let's move on to 4th grade English. Give it to me, Alex.
Goodness. What word is the adverb in this sentence?
Well, I studied a lot in adverbs in my courses at Harvard Elementary, so I'm gonna say the adverb in the sentence is almost.
Okay, good job, Paul. That is correct.
Yeah! Take that, teacher lady. Yeah!
After that round, the score is Paul 4, David still 2.
Boy!
Good, you can count.
8.
That's 1st grade. So we are going to move on to this last round, and the points for this last round are worth 10,000 per question. So the rest of these questions didn't even matter. All right.
Oh, that's what I'm talking
Super
about. Yes.
serious.
Whoa.
5th grade.
Yes.
That's what matters. It's all or nothing. David, what category are you picking? Please tell me now.
Mr. Alex, whatever your name is, the tribe has spoken, and I choose art.
Art, last category. This painting by Salvador Dali is an example of abstractism, expressionism, surrealism.
I can't do this. I'm using my lifeline. I'm phoning a friend. Come on, pick up.
This is.
Oh, hey. Someone's getting a call. Oh, hey. Do you know what the difference is between abstractism and expressionism and surrealism? Yeah. The difference is one, carry the two. You dolly me in into the answer. I dolly you in, and then you go in and you answer all of the above. It's all of them. They're collaborated. It's a collaboration. Of course. Duh, of course, thanks man. so much. All right, Yeah, no problem, dude. See you at the volleyball game later. See you later, man. All right. Okay. Weird guy.
Do you have an answer, David?
Yeah. Give me. Come on.
No, you're out of time.
You're crowding me.
You took
okay.
a phone call. Give me an answer.
All right. Okay. My answer is A for all of the above, which technically is 2 ounces. So even if either one of those are wrong, I'm still right. Right? Wrong. What? Are you serious? How? I gave you the best answer of all. Everything.
The answer to life is everything. Oh gosh.
The real answer is surrealism.
Well, that was very surreal. So let's hop out of this abstract situation and go on to the next one, which is gonna be...
Just give me a thing.
Science.
Science. Last question.
The elements?
What elements do these symbols stand for? C, Na, K, H, and Au.
Do you want me to remember the elements? I barely remember what I had for breakfast this morning. Let's see. C stands for carbon. Na, sodium. K is for potassium. H is for hydrogen. And Au is for gold. Bling, 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 bling. Ow. Yeah.
Good job.
Woo! Don't kill my vibe.
You're correct.
Don't kill my vibe.
You're correct. Please put the desk down. You're correct. Good job. Great.
Ow!
Okay, class. Well, that was a great test. David, you failed.
Can I at least get some positivity, please? You failed.
Do better. Paul, you did a fantastic job passing. David, well, you didn't pass, but maybe next time you can get Sean out of his room.
You know what? I am Sean, all right? I'm out of here, man. I'm getting out of this joint, man. Hey, come here. No. David, we used to be so cool, man. We used to be way cool. Oh, man. I was so close. Oh, man, now I gotta call Sean. Oh, I really don't want to. Okay. Here goes.
Hope David passed the test. Ryan's gonna be really late to the school. Must be David.
Hey, Sean. Hey. So, you know the thing about the school thing? Yeah, I totally failed and you're not gonna be able to get out.
You did not pass the test? David, you're grown up. Why didn't you pass the test?
I know, technically I am, but you know, what does that even have to do with anything?
No! What am I gonna do?
Sorry, Sean. We'll get him next time. That guy's really nice.
Oh, come on!
Well, time to go back to under the bridge.
No, so that means I'm stuck inside this room. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Find out how I'm gonna get out of my room on next new video.